Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily do the reverse edit trend on TikTok. So first you can start by opening your TikTok apps and then click on the plus icon to start uploading the videos. Click on upload and here choose the video that you want to add. So in here I'm going to edit this video to become a reverse video. So click on the effects at the right panel in here and then just swipe until you find the time category. Then you'll find easily the reverse option. Tap on that and now it will load into your videos. You can just wait until it applies fully to your videos. Okay, so now it's done and this is the video. So now this person on the video is walking backward. So click on save at the top and that's it. This is the first video. So you can just click on next and then upload the video. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.